You want him out there working to be productive instead of fighting the pressure on the wand. So you find something, put it in a vise. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend it right here on my trailer. It's not a lot of a bend, but let's see what it does. Set my nozzle. There we go. That's actually a little too much. So I take it back, take that little bit of a bend, pull it out. Now let me try it again. There we go. That's exactly what I want. I want to be able to hold that trigger at the bottom and that wand hold itself up.